Day one continues strong. People are kind of finding their way, realizing how to get between different venues, as well as how to handle the series of lines that inevitably you're going to be faced at. I had a chance middle of the day to go into the Expo Hall. It's not open yet. It opens tomorrow at 11 a.m. But I snuck in early as part of the exhibition team here for Trend Micro, and to help set up, but also to give you a bit of a sneak peek and talk about some of the stuff that's going on in the Expo Hall, some of the team that we're bringing in for you to talk to. Check this video out. There we go. All right. Good, that should be working. We're going on Facebook Live right now. We're coming up on Twitter Live in a second as well. We're going to double check that it's working so that we can get a thumbs up from the audience, from the Peanut Gallery. Mark Nunnikoven here, AWS community hero, nerd, builder, VP Cloud Research here at Trend Micro. I say here at Trend Micro, but despite the giant logo in the background, I'm actually coming to you live from the AWS reInvent Expo Hall. Now, the Expo Hall is not open yet. All around me, the reason why we got a nice tight shot here is because all around me, there's an insane amount of work going on. People have been working all yesterday, all day today to get the Expo Hall ready. It opens, I believe, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Double check in the mobile app. If you haven't downloaded the mobile app already, do so. Available on iOS, Android. Super useful. That'll keep you going into the right places at the right time. But the Expo Hall is where the welcome reception happens tomorrow night. First time we've had the Expo Hall open before the reception, so you can come get a sneak peek. Normally the Expo Hall, the reception was the first time you could get the good swag, so it was kind of the rush to see who had cool kind of swag. I'm a little biased this year for Trend Micro swag because I designed the t-shirt, or at least the concept, and then the team built everything out around it, so not, if it's bad, blame them. If it's good, I'll take credit. But you can come by. We've got plenty of shirts. We're doing some crazy cool giveaways as well. I'm not going to give away the secret of what we're giving away, but you're going to love it. Trust me, builders, it's super cool. We're giving away a ton of them as well, which is awesome. But yeah, you can come by the Expo Hall in the morning and grab some swag, see what's up, then come back for the reception hall because it's swag, a lot of cool folks to talk to, and booze and food, which is always a bonus because at the end of the day, you're probably going to be tanked by then. Now, I pushed out a blog this morning on the Trend Micro site that has a like half an hour, by every half hour, punch up of what your day should be, how to rock a day at reInvent. And one of the things was, keep snacking, keep fueled, keep hydrated because it's a long day. I've been walking already. I'm doing 10, 15 clicks a day, and we're not even underway really. So you're going to walk a lot, keep snacks, keep hydrated. And unfortunately, as we've seen today, this morning already with the Global Partner Summit, with Industry Day, you're going to be in line for a while. Make sure you turn around, say hi to the person next to you, introduce yourselves around. We're all here for the same thing. Met a super cool guy on the bus this morning, great Amazon employee, a couple other folks talking about some cool stuff that they've been working on, which was really great. Met some new friends, learned something cool already, which is what this week is all about. And it is a very tech-heavy conference. We've seen that year after year. I've been amazed so far how at 45,000 people or so, we've managed to keep that high level of technical content and awareness. And unfortunately, I can't show you the Expo Hall because it's open yet, but I'm looking straight down here and I'm looking at the Dev Lounge this year, Build Bar, Dev Chats, just like year one when we were here in 2012 for the first reInvent. That is a quiz, again, the quiz answer if you're on the mobile app, 2012. It was, I remember we walked across, people in the hallway sitting down, programming, building out new cloud apps right there. And then we had the Dev Lounge, you're playing ping pong, sitting in beanbag chairs, continuing to build, and that spirit is still here today. And this is all about building things out. And of course, you can come talk to the AWS folks, come by the booth here at Trend Micro. We've got a really heavy technical staff on site to have these conversations, to talk to you about it. I'm excited this year that one of our, we just made a new acquisition. We brought in the folks from Immunio into the Trend Micro family. They're here on site. They've been a long history of working directly with developers to help integrate security into the fabric of what you do, and really smart folks. Really great to have a chat with them. So come on by and say hi to Mike and the team. They'll be here throughout the week as well. But the key thing about this conference is learning, is expanding those skills, and today you're going to see a bunch of that with Industry Day. I started my day off by writing an exam before I did the last stream, and I had to renew my certs, had to recertify, and I managed to get one of the shirts on the way, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to grab it off the shelf here, and I'll show you a little bit of a closer. I am so stoked at what they've done here. It is amazing. It is Final Fantasy themed from, let me get that up there. There we go. Check that out. So the AWS certification team did a complete rebrand on everything they're doing cert-wise, right from the brochure, which is styled like an old school Nintendo 8-bit box, like retail shelf box, to all the material and the stickers. It's all like Final Fantasy themed. I was a huge Final Fantasy nerd back in the day when it was still understandable and not a 17-week commitment to finish the game. I mean, back in the 8-bit days when everything was, like 16 pixels wide and that was your mage and you had to go fight. All the new cert stuff is around that. So if you're AWS certified, go down to the certification lounge. There's one here in the Venetian. There's another, I believe, in the MGM or maybe the Aria. Again, double check the app. And you can pick up a free shirt. There's also big cutouts so you can get selfies and a ton of stickers. A lot of cool old school video games. I was playing a little Defender earlier. So this, this week is all about connecting. It's all about learning. It is having those technical conversations as well. The schedule, there's some really cool sessions. There's one this afternoon, only walk-up room right now, but for the new Gluon library for deep learning, that stuff's amazing. Really interesting to start learning that firsthand from the team and building that out. So again, another opportunity to kind of expand your horizon. We saw it last night at Midnight Madness with Sumerian, a good chance to dive in and start building AR and VR content that maybe you haven't done before. That's really cool. So again, that continuing theme, socialize, and make sure you're putting yourself out there. I know it's a little uncomfortable. Some of us are not that comfortable meeting new people, but if you put yourself out there, you're going to see huge returns. So yeah, that's really what we're doing. I think this is going to be a fantastic conference despite the lines. I think the word of the day is going to be patience, but see it as an opportunity. It's an opportunity to reach in your bag, grab that snack, recharge. It's an opportunity to turn around and meet some new folks and ask them what they're building. Maybe get some insights, get some tips, some tricks. See what's going on. If you are all alone and unable to force yourself to introduce to the person next to you, pull open the mobile app, start doing the trivia, learn a bit that way. That's kind of cool as well. So yeah, I'm here all week. I'll be at the Expo Hall on and off tomorrow. I'll definitely be here for the reception. Come on by, say hi to me, say hi to the newest members of the Trend Micro family, the team from Immunio. Come say hi to the rest of the Trend Micro family. We've got a big team on site as always. It's amazing to see how our commitment's grown, how this show has grown. I remember the first reInvent coming here with my good buddy Justin and Dan. We soft launched Deep Security as a Service 6 years ago at the first reInvent. We had guerrilla marketing that we had done up. We were troubleshooting issues with the service on site in the booth as things went wrong, because inevitably stuff goes wrong. It was amazing, but that's the core, the spirit of the AWS Cloud, of AWS reInvent. And even though we're now 45,000 people as opposed to the few thousand people from the first reInvent, that spirit is still alive and well. So bring your laptop, bring your phone, because we can code on those now, which is amazing. Build something, say hi, put yourself out there, get the most out of this week, because I know I sure am. I'll see you around. Catch me here on Facebook. Hit me up on Twitter at MarkNCA. If you see me in the hall, definitely say hi. Happy to have a chat. We'll talk to you guys.